catching feelings, baby. Give me feelings. You can give it. I just keep it satisfied.
You know, from a very young age, I've been very, very much aware of who I am. Yeah. And I know for a fact that I am the giver in most of my relationships. Some people naturally give more than they receive, and I'm one of those people. I know that. Love, support, time, energy. I'm that friend. I'm that friend who's known as the strong one, the dependable one, the listener, the problem solver. But can I tell you something? If you know what I'm describing you're also a giver in your relationships. Here's something that you also might have noticed, that givers often attract takers. Oh, you attract takers, people that don't give back. They don't love you the way you love them. They don't show up for you the way you show up for them. They're not present how you present in the relationship. If you the one dragging or pushing this relationship, because over time, as the giver, you start feeling drained. You start feeling unappreciated. You started feeling invincible. Like, what do you mean you don't see me? And the friendship naturally breaks down because it's one-sided. If I don't call you, you don't call me. If I don't text you don't text me. If I don't initiate for us to meet up. But it's funny how you prioritize your other friends, but you don't prioritize V. Right? V, the strong one, who you know when life kicks you, you will call V. Because V is going to show up for you regardless of where you guys are in your relationship. V will show up because V is a giver. You literally show up for people who don't show up the same way. Being there for people does not automatically mean ukuthi they see you or they value you. Yazi abanye abantu are simply not capable of giving at that level that you give. And that's something that I had to learn at a very young age, because it was like, why do I keep losing people in my life? It's like in relationship, and then it goes, inyuka mntase, inyuke, kushushu, imita yanyuka yamu. You understand? And then it gets to a point and then it feels like we are floating. Sisanda one kule relationship, and then at some point it goes down. Ibande. Our communication is not the same anymore. How we move is not the same anymore. Sana, I just want to tell you, if you are a giver like me, Uguti, that doesn't make you wrong. It means that they ain't your people, and you should be at peace with that. Yes, the day I accepted friendships for what they are, I had peace. Apho umntu akubeka khona ebomini bakhe, hlala hlala kuloo ndawo ubekwe kuyo. Do you understand me? Know where you stand in someone's life so that you know how to maneuver around. Ungaziforsi kodwa bakubekile kulaa ndawo bakubeke kuyo. Don't tolerate things longer than you should. And I think sometimes that's my weakness. Ukuthi I tolerate izinto fanuba bekudala does it cut. People that I was supposed to cut a long time ago and end up diba hat. Don't forgive quickly. Don't overlook disrespect. Don't tolerate inconsistency. Like I don't hear for you for 3 months and then boom, ya vumbuka wena out of nowhere, and you expect me to be present. Ungati, we are still where we were 3 months ago. Sana lwam, accept low effort relationships. Friendships that don't friendships sana lwam abantu bazo banga edi value. You understand? Accept low effort friendships. People get comfortable taking you for granted. And when you eventually pull back, like when you eventually pull back and set boundaries, they vanish. Xa udikiwe nonsense yabo and you take a stand and you set boundaries, bana andizoyitolerate le nonsense. You are not consistent in our relationship. Even small things like ifoni. Abantu be-technology ba-inventa ifoni basikwazi ucommunicate, yenza loo nto ibe lula. Anidinga ubhala ileta ndilinde iveki uba uphendule. I don't need to be free and you to be free for us to meet. Just ifoni. A device that was designed for such communication. Still nasefonini chomi, you are inconsistent. You are inconsistent nasefonini. Let me tell you something about the friends that I have. I'm going to tell you for free. You see the friends that I have, whether from high school, from church, from work, from Pina. But people in my circle, let me tell you about people in my circle. People in my circle show up when bad things are happening in their lives because they know ukuthi is there for any form of support. And then xa kulungile, they vanish. Xa kumnandi ebomini babo, they vanish. When life is too busy for them, baxakekile, izinto zibusy, kuya le nale, they vanish. That is not a friendship. That is not a friendship. Wena uyi-friend xa ku-convenient for wena. That is not a friendship and it will never be. What do you mean ukuthi you vanish when you are busy? That's the time where, like, fanbuvela ngayo, my dear. You understand? We are vanish because of busy. Toxic friendships where each homie only talk to you when they're going through bad things, but ababuyi bazobalisa when they're going through good things. You only see it social media. Oh, hayi kulungile bethuna uyithengile la moto. Yo, handibonile bethuna neposter in amalungiselela housewarming. Ude wayifumana landlu. Baby girl, I was there with you praying for that house. Ndikuthandazisa ufumane landlu. Now you have the house. You don't use the same energy you used coming to me to tell me bad things so that I can support you. You don't take that same energy so that I can celebrate you. Every time our conversations about izinto ezimbi ezenzeka ebomini bakho, that is so draining. Xa into inhle isenzeka ebomini kuthena ungaphinde ubuye uthi oh kuhle ke ngoku kuhle. Friends that don't involve you in good times, but they will involve you in bad times. Umntu une-bereavement. This person hasn't spoken to you for a good 6 months, 1 year. But une-bereavement kokwabo, and you're the first person they think about, and they expect you to show up. That time I haven't spoken to you in over a year, but you expect me to show up for you. That's what we deal with as friends that are givers in our relationships. My dear, I just want to tell you this. I'm not even going to show my face because I'm crusty. Hence why this video is black. But you know very well, you're talking to V, baby. You know this voice. This is what I want to say to you. If you feel like me, because I feel like I am venting for me. Like, and not anyone else. Because literally today, I just lost a friend. I just lost a friend. And you know what? I've cut her for good. No, I've given her a long rope. I've given her a long rope. Ndimbukele ndithule. Ndimbukele. No, it's time. I can't be tolerating nonsense. Ndimdala kangaka. Just like uzothe emntaneni omncinci, hayi hata. Nomntu omdala ke funeka uthi hayi. If akamameli, qhawula intambo mntasekhaya. Awungomamakhe. You don't share the same umbilical with her. So qhawula loo ntambo. Mamela ke sithando sam. You may attract people who need healing just because of the person that you are. And it's when you're the empathetic person, you're the kind-hearted person, you're the person people know ukuthi they will always fall on xa besiwa babethwa zinto zobomi. Kodwa xa kumnandi abaku-invite kwinto ezimnandi. You will attract emotionally unstable people. You will attract selfish people. You will attract users. You will attract people who only show up during a crisis. Uyazazi ezo chomi? Like iphele iveki akhono hey chomi, how was your week? Umntu uthule. But makabethwe ngububomi uzomazi uvi. Makabethwe bubomi uzandibulisa nditsho nasebusuku ngo-11 ndilele ndirhona andibulise ebusuku. Once they feel better, then they disappear again. They go back to wherever they come from. Because they were never there for the friendship. They were just there for survival. Mamela mntasekhaya, if you are that person that keeps losing people, relationships, whatever kind of relationship it is, but if ungumntu who keeps losing people, let me tell you something. Your growth might be outgrowing them. As you evolve, spiritually, mentally, emotionally, career-wise, certain friendships don't fit anymore. Uzibuzwana bese right nalo mntu. Kutheni ngoku chomi wase wanenzela into ezifani okanye wase wa distant, my dear, because you're not on the same level as them. And I'm not saying this in a bad way or in a boasty way, but as ungumntu uyakhula as ungumntu, and sometimes uyaz outgrow ichomi zakho. So guess what? You are not losing them because of your growth, because of you evolving. You are shedding them. Yo, guys, kuphinde kube khona lento yobana thina sometimes we don't want to hurt people, so we don't express our own needs out loud. Yes, sometimes abantu I'm talking about your own people now. I'm not talking about friends ezivumbuka zimane zidisappear. I'm talking about like your people. Sometimes your people don't know how to support you because umhlambi you don't let others know when you need them, or you're always the strong friend. Bakubona as the strong friend ukuthi you've got your things in order, or you do everything alone, or you don't ask. So your role becomes one-sided and people don't step up. I get that. But I'm going to tell you one thing that I always do when I need my friends. Asazona ndikubhalele one paragraph ndikuxelela iingxaki zam. But if I call you, just know there was a reason we dialed your number. If I call you, there is a reason. Andibhorekanga mna bandifonela abantu just because ndibhorekile. If ever you saw my missed call, there was a reason. Maybe I was not even in trouble. Maybe I had a word to share with you. Maybe bendinomyalezo wakho, in a sense that there was life I wanted to speak over you. There were good things I wanted to speak over you. I'm not going to go deep in that. But if you see V's missed call and you never return the missed call back, that's fine. That's fine, but I don't want you to say one day, oh V, I never thought or I never knew what you needed me. Because baby girl, I don't live a boring life. So if I dialed your number, best believe, ubusenhlizweni yami, my call to you was very much intentional. You not picking up or you having more priorities than me, which is fine. You being busy, it's okay. But funeka uyazi ungaze uthi ngenye imini, oh V, I didn't know that you needed me. Honey, I was intentional when I dialed your number. So I needed you. And this was so one paragraph. No, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to reach out. And if you don't reach back, it's fine. It's okay. Also one thing, God might be removing wrong people from your path if you keep losing people. So ungabi na worries sithando sami. Just that don't hold on. Xa i-relationship ingasa add value ebomini bakho, don't hold on. Let go because you will be drained. But it might be that God is removing wrong people from your path. Umhlambi, it's part of umthandazo wakho wena xa uthandaza uba uYehova asuse zonke izinto that are not for you. So mamela ke sithando sami, sometimes the loss is protection. Some friendships can't go where God is taking you, especially with your vision board, your businesses, your ministries, your goals. Not everyone can stay. So be at peace when people leave you. And ubakhulule. And how do people leave you? Baqale bakubonise ngezenzo. People show you through actions. Let them go. Don't tolerate them. Because the more you tolerate them, uzoherga. Bazokuherer. I hope you guys caught that. Because that was, yay. I hope you guys caught that. Sometimes the loss is what? Protection. You understand? Sometimes the loss is protection. Abanye abantu abakwazi ukuya apho uThixo akuthatha khona. Abanawo lo mandla, abanayo lo discipline. Abanayo la spiritual maturity yokuthi bakukhaphe bakuse kulanda uThixo kusa kuyo. So guess what? Bazosheka apha endleleni. Bazohamba bepoqa. The important part to remember as ungumntu oyigiver is that xa kusenzeka into ezifani kanje, one thing, a person stops talking to you idlule imini like kuthi cwaka because kaloku bona ba-happy ngoku bebengekho happy bebekwazi. But ndifuna ukukhumbula into yobana you are not losing friends. You are losing people who are not aligned with you. Let me tell you something, what a real friend is. I used to write blogs on my blog post. It's just that nina anisfundi into zam. It's okay. But ngizakukhumbuza bana, what did I write on that article? Real friends communicate. Real friends show effort. Real friends give and receive. Iyahambelana lento. Real friends protect your name. Real friends match your energy. Real friends don't disappear when life gets busy. So you are not asking too much. You are just being giving too much to the wrong people. You understand? So if friendship yako does not feel that way, you guys are not in a relationship. You are with people that are not aligned with you. People that are surviving gawe. Baya benefit from your existence. And then when life is good, they entertain their other friends. Hey, have you ever met women that fight for umjolo? Hey, no bengafuna ugela akafunwa yindoda, but uzawulwela umjolo. Umbukele ugela, umbukele. That time, akayifaki the same effort in you guys' relationship. Communicate, akathini. But izinto azenzela indoda engamfuniyo. Yo, guys, ni-prioritize into ezirongo. Ezirongo. Anyway, I'm done.